Hello guys and gals, welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and like this video. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Note 8, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add or change your language on your keyboard on this Note 8. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off by showing you guys that I only have the one language currently. So if I go to Chrome over here, and I select the keyboard comes up. As we can see, there's just the English one there. There are no other features down at the bottom. So what we're going to want to do now is go ahead, swipe down from your top and go into settings by clicking the little wheel at the top right. Once you are here, go ahead and scroll down. Scroll down till you see general management. Once you're here, go ahead and select that. And from here, we're going to be looking at language and input. Go ahead, select that. And out of here, the third option down is on-screen keyboard. Let's go ahead and select that. From here, the keyboard that is selected is the Samsung keyboard. I'm just going to go ahead and select that there. And then the very top one is languages and types. So go ahead and select that as well. And here we can see that there is the English is our current keyboard. We can manage input languages. So go ahead and select that. And here it's telling us that there is a third-party app that is used to access these languages and these settings. So just go ahead and agree to their terms and conditions. And from here, we can go ahead and add some of the available languages here. And if you guys wanted to check for more available languages, just go ahead and scroll down. They should pop up. I had to hit the little options button up here for them to pop up. So if you can go ahead and just might take a little second before it comes out. But you can go ahead and select whatever you want. So whatever that is, I can go ahead, click it. It's going to be uploading it. When it uploads all the way, it's going to bring it up to the top and select it, showing you that, hey, we have uploaded this keyboard and you can now use it. This might take a little while, so I'm just going to go ahead and come up here and select one of the ones that are already pre-selected. Let's just go ahead and go with something that would be different. The characters will be different. Let's go ahead and select that as our next language. Let's go ahead, leave this here, go back into Chrome. Once again, bring up our keyboard. And as you guys can see, there is a little arrow over here showing us right by the English on the space bar. You can go ahead, click it and slide over, and it brings up the language that we have just selected. So that is how you add your language, and at that point you could type with it and go ahead, type it in and pick out whatever you're searching for. You can go ahead and use that keyboard. So let's say we're going to go ahead and we wanted to get rid of that. What we're going to want to do is, once again, scroll down from the top, select settings, gets us into settings, go into general management, from general management, language and input, from language and input to on-screen keyboard, Samsung keyboard, and languages and types. And at this point, we have the keyboards, the one that we had earlier uploaded from the bottom there. Once again, you might just have to wait. From here, if you wanted to get rid of it, we can go ahead and select remove. And we can go ahead and remove that one that we have set as our keyboard. If we don't like that, we can remove that as well. So remove it. Now we're back down to just English. So if I leave here and I go back into Chrome, let's get rid of that. I select it. My keyboard comes up. As you guys can see, if I slide right or left on the space bar, nothing happens. It just pushes in a space in the search engine. So that is how you add a different language keyboard, how to add it and how to remove it on the Note 8. Hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you guys did, once again, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. I like that video. And that's all I got for you guys in this one. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.